Okay, so I'm gonna do a voiceover for this video of beef bulgogi, but baby girl is right here next to me. So if you hear some goo goggle in, it's her. So that was our ingredients. I'm gonna chop up some bit. Hi y'all. I'm gonna chop up some green onion. Okay, I'm cutting off the ends and those little ugly little tips. Now we just gonna ignore my little belly. Look, food and babies I love. Okay, so this is what comes from it. So I'm working on it. You see this big old onion right here? I got this onion from Superior's grocery store out here in LA. They got the biggest onion sometimes. Anyway, we're gonna slice this onion because this dish that I actually it's like a mixture of two different recipes. I don't know this lady name. I'm just gonna probably put it somewhere on this video while I'm talking right here. But anyway, I took two different variations of her. One is for Korean beef and one is for beef bulgogi, which I don't know. It might be the same thing. I don't know, but she had two different recipes. So that was a thinly sliced beef. I got that from like a Asian market. I have about 6 or 5 cloves of garlic, 5 to 6. I think I had 6. And I'm just going to chop them up. Now this is an Asian pear. I think it's called a shiso pear or brown pear. I don't know. But we need about 2 tablespoons. So I'm just going to blend that up real good. See that there? Yep, there we go. I'm putting ginger. Neither one of those recipes call for ginger. I just really like ginger. So I'm putting ginger. Just a little piece of the little knob of it. And I'm just going to chop that up real good. Same size I did that garlic. That's a little bit, but I'll chop it again. Now this is some mirin, some really good mirin. I mean, it's like $7, but it's good to me because it was really strong smelling. And then some sesame oil. Now I added 2 tablespoons of each for all these, except for this rice cooking wine right here. I don't like it. It got a licoricey kind of smell. You see my face? But it does give good flavor, but I just wouldn't mess with it. So I put 1 tablespoon, putting 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, as you can see. This is Kiko, man. You know, if you could find a really good soy sauce, that'd be great. This is, I'm not going to say this right. I'll just write it. I'm not trying to butcher nothing. I'll just type it. But it's a wine, okay? And like a cooking wine. So you're gonna add half the amount of your sliced onions, pretty much almost all your green onions, and you're gonna add the Asian pear. Now I was supposed to add this stuff to all the sauces and then put the meat in, but I did it. I was just combobulated. I was discombobulated. I was everywhere. So I'm adding some pepper. You're supposed to add sugar, and then the aromatics, all, you know, the veggies and the sauces together. And I took some stir-fry oil, and I'm putting a layer of onions at the bottom, okay? And then I'm placing the meat on top. And those onions are gonna cook and kind of waft up to that meat. Now that meat got marinated 30 minutes, just to let you know, okay? So this is how it's looking. We almost there. We almost getting there. I mean, it was delicious. I thickened it with a slurry. You don't have to, but I really like for like some sort of sauce to stick to the rice. This is jasmine rice, really good jasmine rice that I found in the Asian market. You place that on top. You can add, I added some sesame. I love sesame and green onion, and I love bok choy. So I boiled some bok choy and put it on the side. And this is one of our favorite go-to dinners. So if you make it, let me know what you think, and please visit the lady who I got this recipe from. She has a great page on Facebook and I think IG and YouTube. Thanks for watching.